When I first learned of this challenge, I thought, why not? With the pandemic making the art business terribly slow, this would be something I could do, occupy my mind till things get back to normal. I was given the name Ball Chingo to start a channel. At the time, I didn't know it meant something bad, causing my channel to get permanently suspended. Having to start over, I was given another spin at the wheel to get a new name. I was thinking about quitting if another name comes up that could be an issue. And then it landed on Random Rock Paints. I was disappointed because I already have an art channel. Overnight, after thinking about it, I came up with a plan on how to make it something really different. Instead of just being about me painting the rocks, I made up a rock character as the Random Rock, using the pet rock from the 70s. Then I realized it was a way of painting I have never done, wondering if I could even paint a rock, which I knew nothing about, because I'm a muralist who paints life-size art for a living. And now I'm glad I took on the challenge. Not only did I discover a new way to paint, but I also found a new community of people that are awesome, very supportive, and very talented. It taught me how YouTube can be used as a tool to learn new skills from others sharing what they do. And having to put a video out once a week helped me get better at editing, learning what it takes to making videos to attract viewers and then keeping their attention. If you are ever looking for self-improvement or in a creative block, I highly recommend taking on a challenge that's something you never would have done. I promise you, it will get you motivated. A kind of self-imposed wake-up call. Learning new ways that help you as a creator. Thank you everyone for the support. Love to you all and wish you the best.